Hi everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play in servers in Minecraft Pocket Edition using cellular or mobile data. Now as you guys can see over here, I do have mobile data on without access to a Wi-Fi network, and this is going to be really useful if you're traveling outside or just do not have access to a Wi-Fi network. And basically all you have to do is head into your settings, alright, and once you head into your settings, go ahead and head into the profile tab and just scroll down, and as you guys can see, so use cellular data, click on that and then go ahead and click on OK. So use cellular data, click on OK, and auto update unlock packs. You can go ahead and click on with Wi-Fi or mobile data or only with Wi-Fi. That's really up to you, or you can even set it to off. Now I'm going to exit and head into the server and show you guys that this in fact works and that this in fact is real. Now it's going to show you this. Just click on proceed. It doesn't really matter. So this in fact works. Now I'm just going to pause it and show you guys that I'm still using mobile data. I'm not using Wi-Fi, just to show you complete proof that it works, and I have not edited it out whatsoever. And yeah guys, this is basically how you do it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll catch you guys over there. Now see ya.